Birds chirping, a serenade of nature. Birds chirping is a beautiful and common occurrence in our daily lives. Whether you're waking up in the morning, taking a leisurely walk in the park, or simply enjoying the outdoors, you're likely to hear the sweet melodies of these feathered creatures. The chirping of birds is a simple yet remarkable aspect of nature that has a significant impact on our well-being. Birds chirp for various reasons. One of the primary purposes of their song is communication. Birds use their chirps to establish their territory, signal danger, or attract a mate. Each species of bird has its unique and distinctive song, allowing them to recognize and respond to one another. It's like a secret language they share. These melodious tunes have a soothing effect on humans. Research has shown that listening to the sounds of nature, including birdsong, can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve our overall mental well-being. It's no wonder that many people choose to wake up to the sound of birds outside their window, as it can set a positive tone for the day. The beauty of birdsong is that it's not limited to any particular time of the year. Different seasons bring different bird species and their unique songs. In the spring, you might hear the cheerful chirping of robins, heralding the arrival of warmer days. Summer brings the lively melodies of sparrows, while the fall can be a time for migratory birds passing through, each with its own distinct song. Birds have a way of enhancing the ambience of any outdoor setting. Whether you're having a picnic in the park, camping in the woods, or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon on your porch, the sounds of birds chirping can make the experience more enjoyable and immersive. They create a connection to nature that is both comforting and inspiring. The diversity of bird species also means a diversity of songs. Some birds produce simple, repetitive chirps, while others have more complex melodies. The songs can range from high-pitched and cheerful to soft and melodious. No matter the type, the variety of birdsong adds to the richness of our natural environment. Birdwatching, or birding, is a popular hobby enjoyed by millions of people worldwide. Enthusiasts carry binoculars and field guides to identify and appreciate the different bird species by their songs, colors, and behaviors. Birdwatching not only deepens one's connection to nature, but also fosters an appreciation for conservation efforts to protect these feathered friends and their habitats. The songs of birds can also serve as an indicator of the health of ecosystems. Changes in bird populations and their songs can signal shifts in the environment, such as climate change or habitat degradation. Thus, they play a crucial role in ecological research and conservation. In conclusion, the chirping of birds is a simple yet profound gift of nature. It brings joy, tranquility, and a sense of wonder to our lives. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet countryside, take a moment to listen to the birdsong around you. It's a reminder of the beauty and intricacy of the natural world and an opportunity to find solace in its melodies. So, the next time you hear birds chirping, pause for a moment, and let their songs uplift your spirit and connect you with the world outside. The melodious sounds of birds in the morning, often referred to as the dawn chorus, are a captivating and uplifting phenomenon. As daybreak paints the sky with soft hues, birds from sparrows to warblers join in this harmonious ritual. Their songs, a blend of whistles, trills, and calls, serve various purposes. It's a time when they communicate, establish territories, and seek potential mates. This symphony of nature creates a peaceful and rejuvenating ambience, reminding us of the beauty of the natural world. It's a daily spectacle that connects us to the rhythms of life and offers a serene start to the day.